Hi friends, this video I will show you how to print forms, Iqama renewal form, Iqama update form, final exit form from Muqeem. We have to log in using our company username password in Muqeem portal. Okay, so I'm going to log in. I will receive OTP. Here we can print all the forms, filled forms and even empty forms for Jawazat. Okay friends, see, I already logged in, changing to English. Here there is option forms. We have to click the forms. Here there is, we will get two forms, fill the form and download the form. Download the form, we can print empty forms. Fill the forms. Here we see, I fill the form. I am going to print one form, employee Iqama renewal form. Here we have to give Iqama number, which Iqama we are going to renew, which that Iqama number, that employee Iqama number. Now I am giving. There is option. There is, see, there is too much forms. Here I am Iqama renewal form. Okay, we can form. Here I am Iqama renewal form. Okay, which form? There is too much forms. Here I am Iqama renewal form. Okay, which forms? Here I am Iqama renewal form. Okay, we can print all type of forms here for Jawazat purpose. Okay friends, see. I get all the detail, all employee details. It already filled one. See here, then we can just print it. I will show you. See, we no need to write by hand. Automatically this is a Iqama renewal form. Like this we can print all the forms in the Muqeem website. Okay friends, thank you so much. Please support and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will reply you. Thank you friends. Please keep supporting. Support, like and share to your friends. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.